tọ́ ọlọ́run Elédùmarè ọba ògóògó ọba àjíkẹ́ ọba àjíkẹ́ ọba afẹ́nifẹ́re ọba àjùwàpè ọba agbẹnimọ́dẹ́yìn afúnimọ́ṣẹ̀rẹ̀gún ọba alóòlọ́lá àníyìlẹ́yẹ ọ̀gbọ̀gbà tí gbára àdúgbò abọ́ ọ̀gbọ̀gbọ̀ tí fi yọmọ ẹ̀ nọ́ọ̀fìn kábíyèsí Elédùmarè ìbà àwọn arúgbó aṣọ mọ́balẹ̀ àwọn akọni obìnrin akáṣọ lérí mọ́rẹ̀rù obìnrin bàmùbàmù yanyan àwọn afẹ́jú ẹlẹ́yẹ tí wọ́n bàtà dẹ́ oníbàtẹ́ pèlè mọ̀jà tí bá níjà láì fọwọ́ kan ní ìbà yín o ẹjọ́ ojú wa ṣe lónìí láàlú dọ́ọ̀rẹ́ òbẹ́lẹ́kún sunkún kẹ́rù òbẹ́lẹ́kún dọ́ọ̀rẹ́ òbá dásọ̀rọ̀ tí ò tó dá sí ó dọ́ọ̀rẹ́ ẹlẹ́kún sunkún láàárọ̀ yẹn ṣẹ̀jẹ̀ onímísùnmí láàárọ̀ yẹn ṣòfún ẹ̀bọ̀ra síjẹ́ látọ̀ pa láàlú mọ́jà yẹ wá mọ́jọ dojúrú gbogbo àwọn olólùfẹ́ kan lèyí mọ́jà yẹ wọ́n dojúrú ẹlẹ́dàá ọ̀dọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá mọ́jọ dojúrú ilẹ̀ ọ̀gẹ́rẹ́ mọ́jà sílẹ̀tẹ̀ mọ́jà tójú ilẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ mọ́jà gun ayé gun alẹ́sẹ̀ mọ́jà jìsọ́fẹ́ àwọn àgbàlagbà aṣọ ọ̀ka ènìyàn mọ́jà tẹ̀ ẹni tá a ṣẹ̀ tá a bẹ̀ tí ò ní gbà Elédùmarè ọ̀dọ́wọ́ rẹ̀ lónìí mọ́jà bárò ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ tó papọ̀ Elédùmarè ìbà rẹ̀ o. Ọlọ́run ìbà rẹ̀ o Ọlọ́run ọ̀gá ògo ìwọ lànà ìwọ lèní ìwọ sì tún lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la ìbà o ìbà bàbá ṣàṣìbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. tó níbi tá a bá ìrìn àjò dé àwọn kankan ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́rọ̀ òṣèlú lórílẹ̀‐èdè yìí lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ò yé ṣe rí sátá ló lọ yìí ó gbọgbọ́n ó gba ọgbọ́n gidi gan tá a bá wo bí nǹkan ti ń lọ ó gba ọgbọ́n nítorí kí máa ta àwọn èèyàn mi lólobó tó lè máa ta ìran Yorùbá jí kò jù lórí pé ẹ má já sàsùpèyè lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà tá a wà nù rẹ̀ yìí ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ọlọ́pọ̀ sórílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá lèmi àti ẹ̀ láti jókòó tá a máa rẹ́rìn síra wa tínú wa ó máa dùn tá a máa wọjọ́ ọ̀la wa tọ́kàn wa ó balẹ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ni. orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ní rí ọmọ rẹ pé ń gòkè ọkàn mi ó sì balẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mi tí ń gòkè inú rẹ ó sì máa dùn orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá ni. ṣe rí irú ògiri wa tà ná lọ́wọ́ yìí mo ṣe fídíò kan sẹ́yìn bí ọdún 3 sẹ́yìn àbọ̀dún 2 níjọ́ kan máa mú fídíò yẹn wá ọ́díò yẹn máa mú wá torí kò YouTube ò ní gbà á pé ká tún replay ọ́díò yẹn máa mú wá kì í ṣe lónìí mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn àṣírí kan tó wà nú ẹni lẹ́ẹ̀fì mọ̀ pé orílẹ̀-èdè yìí kì í ṣe ibi tí ọkàn èmi àti ẹ ó ti gbọ́dọ̀ balẹ̀ tá a máa retí pé nǹkan ń bọ̀ lọ́la ìfẹ́ kí ìran mi ó pasán ní jẹ́ kí n mọ wá gbogbo ìgbà tí a bá láàánú dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè à ń tara wa ni. bàbá kan wà dókítà ni wọ́n máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ Arise TV ló máa ń gbé wọn wá bàbá yẹn sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan nípa ètò ìdìbò tó ń lọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ wá wo bí àwọn ọmọ Ìgbò ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gba ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bí gbàgbà ọtí lóòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wúwo ní tí ò sì lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní bàbá yẹn dá lábàá níbẹ̀ torí ẹ má jẹ́ parọ́ tẹ̀ ń jẹ òbí ò lọ bì kankan èmi lè tó fọwọ́ rẹ sọ̀yà lẹ́yìn lórí tí bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pa òṣèlú mo róṣèlú tán ṣùgbọ́n torí pọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ò mọ̀ mí ló jẹ́ ká máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ níjọ́ tí bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ ara mi níbi báyìí lẹ́ẹ̀mọ́ bí mo ṣe jẹ́ lóṣèlú ipa òbí ò gbé ọ̀rọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá a wà yìí ipa rẹ̀ ò tí ì gbé mọ bó ṣe fẹ́ fẹ́vọ̀ ẹ̀ bàbá wa sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pé tó bá tiẹ̀ wá jẹ́ pé ìrìn àjò òbí àti pọ́npọ́n sórí bákan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ rí wọ́n kà wò bẹ́ẹ̀ òye tí wọ́n làwọn fi wo ọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣùgbọ́n bàtà ọmọ Ìgbò rí ó bọ́ síbi agbada tí ò dáa lọ́dọ̀ wọn náà bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀bínú lẹ̀ gbọ́ àlàyé ọ̀rọ̀ látẹnu bàbá.
If Obi and Kwaso are to come in and obliterate the southern second term, the war between the Yorubas and the Igbos will go to the nearest, to the highest level. That, the Igbos connive with the North to cut out Tinubu. But Tinubu is not performing. No saying Yoruba person will defend Tinubu. But this time next year, if it happens, we will be playing with Rwanda between the Igbos and the Yorubas. That the Igbos will machinate, will make effort to uproot what is so-called Yoruba price. It's not deserving, it's not worthy, but in the streets, people should think about the implications of it. And I'm worried about what will happen if an Obi gets northern support and cuts out Tinubu for a second term, which Yorubas wrongly, not meritorily believe is their turn. Something will have to happen next year. I don't want to think about it, but then whatever you sow, you reap.
Now, videos like this are the reason why Nigeria is not getting better. How can a Yoruba man be thinking like this? How can a flesh-born Yoruba man be talking like this? That if Igbos connive with the North, win an election to rule Nigeria, the war between Yorubas and Igbos will intensify. Fear! Who gave you mouth talk? What is your name? Who is your papa? Imagine. Listen, 1999, it was zoned to Southwest, the Yorubas. Olufalaye and Olusegun Obasanjo. Olusegun won the election. Finished good 8 years of the Yorubas. And then the power moved to the North with a Westerner as a deputy. A South as a deputy. Good luck, Ebele Jonathan. Unfortunately, we lost the Northern president, and here we had a Southerner, became the president for 6 years. The power shifted back to the North for Buhari. Now, Buhari finished his 8 years. Originally, if the power is moving from North to South, when it's coming back to South, it has no place to go except Southeast, which is the Igbos. Now a Yoruba man came out. An Igbo man by virtue of destiny in the office of Peter Obi came out and was elected the president. Because how can an Igbo man win Lagos and win Abuja? How can someone who won the old capital territory and the present capital territory not win the nation? You people, the Yorubas, through your Tinubu, manipulated that election. Use your cunning and bribery, twisted the country, and stole that mandate from that man, Obi. And you will feel that you are very powerful. You are so unique. I cry for Nigeria. The reason why this country will not move forward is injustice done to Igbos. Since 1967 till date, Igbos are still being being manipulated, being maltreated, being looked down upon, being seen as an outcast. On what occasion? What will prompt this Yoruba man to voice out this nonsense? To say if an Igbo man will connect with the North. If Igbos were to be, I don't know. I don't want to say something. But I tell you, see, Yorubas seems to be the most dangerous people that is affecting Nigeria. That it is the reason why Nigeria is not moving forward. If it is left between the Hausa man and Igbo man, Kafrahanya, Nigeria would have been far better than it is now. With the exception to some of the Yorubas that are great men. People like General Obasanjo is a great man. He understands the pain of the country. That is why he's pushing for B. That's why he's still alive. Because listen, if P2B becomes president 2027, Obasanjo is likely going to, die before 2030. Why Obasanjo is still alive is that he's waiting for Igbo presidency. That is what is keeping him alive. Adebanjo died simply because his heart was broken when Tinubu stole the mandate belonging to the Southeast. This Yoruba man talking in this video is a complete moron, is a complete criminal, is a spiritual hazardous. I'm telling you, what on earth will give you the mandate to even threaten Igbos that if we connive with the North, Kwankwaso, and win the election against the Yorubas Southwest, that the war between Yoruba and Igbo will intensify? On what ground will it intensify? When you Yorubas stole our mandate, took what our brother won, and our brother said we should not riot, we should not kill somebody, because we know the price of war, because we have fought war before. Not that you guys can be able to withstand Igbos when they start war. But unfortunately, Obi is a gentleman. He allowed that your brother Bola Tinubu to take over the power. And you see what Nigeria has become. You see how many souls have been lost. You see how many Yorubas that have died. You see how much hunger has been wiping you because he took what is not his. He stole the mandate. Let Obi win 2027. Let me see the war that the Yoruba like you, because not all Yorubas now. I have a lot of Yoruba friends that are great people who have a reason, who reasons properly, who knows what is right and what is wrong. This is a typical Yoruba man. Typical, when they say somebody is typical, a lunatic-minded Yoruba man, this man that is talking there, that is saying this thing. When you guys took the mandate of Obi in 2023, Igbos, you were making mockery of us. And then Igbos went home, rest, thought about it, and came back with a song. You know? That was where the song of Go. You know? It came out from there. Because no matter how bad the country is, Igbo man must survive. We are the key economic bearers in this country. Listen, Yoruba man, where they talk, say, if Obi has connived, as you are saying, with the North. If only Atiku has agreed to step down before 12 p.m., 12 noon of the day of election, the elections will be over. Because Tinubu will be beaten even in his own family. Cheyi Tinubu will vote P2B. It's Atiku. Atiku is the only problem of the North. It's the reason why the North is not really heading the right path. But let's see how it goes, because he's still developing. Because Tinubu will be betrayed by his own people, because he'll be shot in the leg. Saturday gone, subsidy is gone, and all he does now is to borrow money. And you are here talking about if he boss. Thunder, Shango, na Shango I dey call. Shango.
Mi fẹ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Igbo yẹn kó gbòdù ló jẹ́ ṣe ní ṣókí. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ò mọ̀ ń pa òṣèlú Igbo ni ò mọ̀ ń pa politics. wọn máa ń pọn gúdùn pa ẹ̀ toríjọ́ tí mo ti mọ̀ wọ́n mi èrò òṣèlú lọ́wọ́ wọn rí mi èrò òṣèlú lọ́wọ́ Ìgbò rí ọmọ kan wá ń bẹ ọmọkùnrin ni láti ilẹ̀ Haúsá òun náà wá ṣe analysis tiẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn Ìgbò nítorí pé wọn ò máa ń pa òṣèlú tó yẹ pé bàbá dókítà mọ̀ pé wọn à máa ń pa òṣèlú kò yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ pé Òbí ò ná Tinubu nígbà tí Tinubu ò ti wà nínú àpáta agbára gan Òbí ò ná ṣé nígbà tó wá ti wà nínú àpáta agbára ni Òbí ò wà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wà ná ẹ gbọ́ analysis ọmọkùnrin yìí.
This video is to my Igbo brothers from the southeast. Watch this video with open mindset, with open brain. If they don't want to tell you this hard truth, I will tell you. Do you know that in a table when they take decision about Nigeria, there is no representative from the southeast? Did you know that if they want to do something, if they want to talk about Nigeria matters and how to move Nigeria forward or move Nigeria backward, nobody rated southeast. Politically, southeast is becoming irrelevant. And 2027 is going to prove everything all, whether they will remain forever for another 15 years or they will become relevant gradually. You understand? South is more rated politically than southeast. And it's very bad for you. Yes, your primary objective was agitation, you want to get Biafra. Now that agitation is failed because the person leading that agitation is not more there. You understand? It's not more there. What next is to become president, vice president, or recognizable in Nigeria politics. The people of Southeast, I understand your pain. You people are the third most populated tribe in Nigeria. After Hausa, Fulani, Yoruba, then the next is Igbo. So by nature, it's supposed to be, if you are not the president, you should be the vice president. If you are not the vice president, you should be senate president. But the question is that, when was the last time somebody from the southeast hold a tangible position at the federal level? When? It was during Obasanjo. That is when all the four senate presidents are from the southeast. That is the last time. South produced president and vice president. Southwest produced president, two president and vice president. North Center produced two senate president, Bukola Saraki and Senator David Mark. They still produce Speaker House of Reps. Now Northwest produced two presidents, Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, Baba Buhari, and they also produced vice president Namadi Sambo from Kaduna State. Then you talk about Northeast. Northeast produced Senate President in Mohammed Lawal, and they also produced Vice President in Atiku Abubakar. What was Southeast produced? Now in APC administration, the only position Southeast, the third highest populated tribe in Nigeria, is Deputy Speaker House of Reps. Do you know how insulting that was? Deputy Speaker House of Reps for a tribe like Igbo. So listen, 2027 is going to decide whether you people are ready or not. And anything by a venture, 2027 election, it happen, and you people do not play by the card of anybody that is going to form the next government. They will abandon you people totally. The reason is very simple. Now let me break this down for you if you don't know. The last three presidential elections, the president won the presidential election without winning from Southeast. 2050, Buhari won it without Southeast. 2019, Buhari won it without Southeast. 2023, Tinubu won it without Southeast. Now, do you know that people can sit comfortably, contest in an election, and don't bother about Southeast?
Ẹni tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ nìyẹn. Ilé ìgangan tó ọmọkùnrin sọ lódodo ọ̀rọ̀. Ṣé rí bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ṣe dáadáa o, tẹ́ bá gbọ́ nǹkan dókítà náà sọ. Wọ́n á ṣe dáadáa. Wàláhì, wọ́n á ní good record. Because kéèyàn fẹ́ gbé pààyàn kọ́ léèyàn ṣèjọba. Kéèyàn fẹ́ gbé pààyàn kọ́ léèyàn ṣèjọba. Ó wà lára àwọn nǹkan tí ń da ìjọba wọn láàmú tí ó jẹ́ kọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ó concentrate lórí wọn. Yorùbá ò rí ìjọba bàbá bí ìjọba kan pàtàkì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn ẹ̀yà yòókù náà ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. ṣètìwárí ibi tí wàhálà wà nìyẹn adẹ ń pariwo ṣùgbọ́n àwọn kan instead of wọ́n sòdodo ọ̀rọ̀ jáde láti bá bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo wọ́n máa ẹ̀ẹ́kẹ́ bú ni wọ́n máa bú ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá sòdodo ọ̀rọ̀ fún wọn ni nítorí pé kòkó ọbẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní bàbá Tinubu ibẹ̀ làwọn ti ń jẹ tí wọ́n ti ń mọ láti ń bọ́yàwó wọn ò fẹ́ ó tú. Èmi rò pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ẹ̀ máa ń báyàn ṣe ìyẹn máa ń báyàn sòdodo ọ̀rọ̀ ni pé bàbá ẹja kéèsì ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn arákùnrin sọ ó ṣe pàtàkì o sọ gbogbo yín ò ní rí lénìí oúnjẹ tágbára bá bọ́ lọ́wọ́ yín kẹ́ tó mọ̀ ń tà sọ lẹ́wàá máa rí sí pé àwọn kíní yìí dẹ̀ rí kíní yìí nígbà yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń pariwo ṣùgbọ́n àmójútó láyé Jonathan the same mistake blunder tí Jonathan commit lélẹ́yìí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní kó fáwọn ọba ń kó fún jòyè yóò wá àwọn kan yóò kó fún wọn iṣẹ́ àfáwọn èèyàn lówó iṣẹ́ náà kó tọ́jú aráàlú wọ́n ní kọ́mọdé ó tọ́jú èṣù kó tó tọ́jú iṣẹ́ lọ ọmọ kọ́kọ́ lọ tọ́jú ó pa èṣù tì ọmọ ti gbàgbé pé gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó ń bá fòwúrọ̀ ayé òun ṣe èṣù ni ó padà gbà lọ́wọ́ òun ara àwọn mistake táwọn èèyàn máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. àwa ọmọ ké àmọ́ sọ tiwa ṣùgbọ́n èyí tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé bàbá ẹ̀yin ló kù sí lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ á fi àárín yẹn lẹ̀ báyẹn ibi tí mo lọ lónìí now ètò òṣèlú ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí wọ́n ìjọba ó yípadà nílùú Èkó yóò yípadà káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà àwọn kan àwọn ó continue àwọn kan àwọn ó gba ìpò lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n gbọ́ fẹ́ lómi irú ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ọkùnrin tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ fún lágbára lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ yìí tó ń pè ní Hamzat ẹ lọ wo activities máì dáadáa káàkiri torí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn tẹ́ ń tìbọ̀ gbogbo nǹkan òun ni òjì kórílẹ̀-èdè yóò move forward débi tó dé dúró yìí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn ni òjò tẹ̀síwájú tẹ́ ẹ bá dẹ̀ continue pé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn lẹ́ẹ̀fì máa wò ó ibi tẹ́ ẹ bá dé yóò padà yà yín lẹ́nu máa yìí look like sadist bí sadist ló ṣe rí àwọn tẹ́ ẹ lè fún ní agbára Èkó tí wọ́n lè tù tí wọ́n sọ̀kalẹ̀ síbi tó dáa làwọn bí àwọn Ọbaṣá ò ní fẹ́ kó bàjẹ́ wọ́n mọ bó ṣe ń tọ́jú àwọn èèyàn àwọn Ọbaṣá mọ bó ṣe ń tọ́jú àwọn èèyàn o tẹ́ ẹ bá fọbaṣá irú former speaker Nàìjíríà Gbàjàbíàmílà tó bá jẹ́ pọ̀ ni wọ́n gbé ìjọba Èkó yìí lọ́fẹ́ gbé fún yóò rí ìjọba Èkó tù he's a Muslim too Ọbaṣá is a Muslim too àwọn tá à ń sọ yìí wọ́n máa ń pa ètò òṣèlú ṣùgbọ́n ọkùnrin tí máa dákẹ́jẹ́ tí ń dákẹ́jẹ́ yìí mọ tẹni tí ń ṣe tí ọkùnrin yìí bá débẹ̀ ẹ máa sọ àsọtẹ́lẹ̀ kan lénìí tí mo fẹ́ kí gbogbo ọmọ Èkó lọ dìmú àwọn Muslim ló champion máa ti ń bọ̀ yìí Hamzat tó ń bọ̀ yìí deputy governor àwọn Muslim ló champion ẹ̀ yóò fi ojú Èkó gbolẹ̀ tí ẹ ti rí tí máa ti rẹ́rìn rí 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 dànrán tẹ́ ẹ tí ì rírí nílùú Èkó àṣírí mo gé fún ilé nìyí torí ẹ̀ wọ́n ń pariwo fún ilé ní pé kẹ́ lọ primary bàbá Tinubu yarí pé consensus ni ojú yín ó gbolẹ̀ ojú bàbá gan gbolẹ̀ ẹni tẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ dáadáa lẹ fẹ́ gbéjọba ìlú Èkó fún adákẹ́jà àmọ́ tẹni tí ń ṣe irú ẹ̀ ní máa tẹ gbéjọba Èkó fún èmi àti wọn dá kankan pọ̀ rí o èmi àti deputy governor ṣiṣẹ́ kankan pọ̀ rí àdẹ̀jàrí ṣùgbọ́n mo lọ jókòó mo wò dáadáa ṣé irú ẹni tí kò ń fẹ́ rè kó mọ̀ lọ dàbí Ambode kéèsì ẹ̀ kó mọ̀ dàbí kéèsì Ambode ẹ máa wò ọ̀tọ̀ lóṣèlú ọ̀tọ̀ ní àwọn principal school nígbà tí ẹ máa wọn principal school máa ṣe tí ọ̀gá bá ń pọ̀ tí gbogbo nǹkan máa ṣe girigirigiri irú ẹ̀ ní máa yí kì í ṣe olóṣèlú ni o ó lè ti pẹ́ ní òṣèlú tí ń jẹ mèdèmédè ní òṣèlú tí ń dìfò òṣèlú kì í ṣe tí wọ́n máa hand over irú àwọn position yẹn fún ni èmi ò ní kí ẹ má fún Èkó ṣùgbọ́n ẹ rí dànrán máa yí yóò fojú àwọn èèyàn rí ó dẹ̀ ní rísì tìjú aṣọ wọn ní èèyàn kankan ò sponsor mi pé kí n takò ṣùgbọ́n mo rí tán ni ẹni tí kì í rẹ́rìn tí kì í báwọn èèyàn ṣe tí ojú Èkó rí àwùjọ àti ẹgbẹ́jọba lé lọ́wọ́ yìí tí ó fojú Èkó rí ìníṣọ̀jú bá ń lọ tó bá yá ọ̀rọ̀ padà wáyé lórí ẹ̀ mo kàn wọ́ọ̀nù yín lẹ̀ léde ni mo fẹ́ kí lọ dìmú sápá òsì yín it's not the time tí wọ́n máa ṣe èyí kankan Sanwó-Olú tẹ bá ti pe Sanwó-Olú ń gbà yẹn pé gómìnà kíní kan ṣẹlẹ̀ níbì kan ẹ̀ẹ́rì Sanwó-Olú ní kíákíá bí ò ní wá yóò rọ yẹn wá àwọn eléyìí tí wọ́n fojú yín rí ní sọ jù báyẹn lọ títí táfi wọn bá kọ̀tún ètò mi wá lórí kan nìyí èmi ti ń tòótọ́ bàbá àṣà